What's up everyone, this is my review of this awesome AC air duster that I got on Amazon. This is a really high quality product. As you can see, this is just kind of how it looks. It comes with all of the attachments that you might need. On the inside you can see it's got the brushes and it's got 3 different attachments and also a sponge replacement for the back of this. So it's really high powered. It's got a couple settings, got the really high power and then the off and then kind of just a normal power. So high quality product, it works really well, and the cord is very long too. So I definitely recommend it, and it's a great value for the price. Check it out.